Round and round, our little boat will take you on a ride through the garden, in the night, and out the other side. What's that sound? Can you hear it? What do you think it is? If you know the answer, shout it out. That's right. Iggle, Piggle, Iggle, Piggle. We're going to catch the Ninky Nonk. Oh no, it's the Ninky Nonk. Catch the Ninky Nonk. What's that? Can you hear the noise? I wonder what it is. If you know the answer, shout it out. That's right. It's the Pinky Pong. Here is a house. Whose house is this? And are they in or are they out? It's the Tombliboos. How many can you see? Tombliboo, knock on the door. Tombliboo, sit on the floor. Tombliboo, here is my nose. Tombliboo, that's how it goes. Who's here? It's the Haahoos. Haahoos. Can you say it? Haahoos. The Haahoos. Looking up, looking down, here, there, it's the Tittifers. Let's listen to their song. Who's here? It's Makka Pakka's cave. But is he in? Yes. Hello, Makka Pakka. Are you clapping your hands today? Can we clap with you? Ready? Makka Pakka, akka waka, mika maka moo. Makka Pakka, akka yaka, ika akka boo. Dum dum, akka pang, ing and oo. Makka Pakka, akka waka, mika maka moo. Who's here? It's Upsy Daisy. Hello, Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy, here I come. I'm the only Upsy one. I'm the only Daisy too. Ipsy, Upsy, Daisy do.
Thank you.
Are you blowing kisses, Upsy Daisy? Let's blow kisses to Upsy Daisy. Bye-bye, Upsy Daisy. See you later, I'm sure.
Upsy Daisy.
Is that good?
Yeah.
It's the Pontipines. All together, off we go. It's Igglepiggle. Yes, my name is Igglepiggle. Igglepiggle, wiggle, nickle, diggle. Yes, my name is Igglepiggle. Igglepiggle, nickle, wiggle, woo. Look, there are all of Igglepiggle's friends. Goodbye, Haahoos. Goodbye, Pontipines. Goodbye, Tombliboos. Goodbye, Makka Pakka. Goodbye, Upsy Daisy. Goodbye, Iggle Piggle. It's time for us to go.